Hi guys, I'm TheCubeSolver. I will be teaching you on how to solve two edge parities at the same time in a 6x6 cube. You usually encounter having two edge parities at the latter part of pairing edges. Thinking about edge parity, there is a predisposition that it involves long algorithms, but this is actually very simple. Let's start. I have here two pair of edges that both have a parity on it. Align them like you're just pairing, like this one. Match these two centers at the middle at the left to the right. But you can do it the opposite way. Bring it to the top. Exchange it with any of these correctly paired edges at the top. Bring it down and place the centers back. Our goal now is to flip this pair of edges at the top, and this is what you have to do. U2, L prime, B, and L. I'll repeat it without algorithm because what I did is essentially the same with this. Since our goal is to flip this pair of edges, bring it to the back, bring this one at the left to the top. You'll see the significance of this later on. Bring this one at the back to the side and bring it to the top. So you'll see that this pair of edges is already flipped and this one is not affected. Do the same thing with this pair of edges. Align them like you're just pairing. Match these middle pieces at the left to the right. Bring it up. Exchange it with this flipped pair of edges. Bring it down and place the centers back. That's it. We already solved two edge parities at the same time. If you only have one edge parity, I suggest to you to watch my 6x6 edge parity tutorial. You might encounter another edge parity when you are solving the last layer of this cube. I also suggest to you to watch my 6x6 edge parity tutorial for that. We're done. If you managed to solve it, please leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.